My family. My family is the most important part of my life because it gives me love, security, and strength. We are four members in our family. My father Devendra Singh, my mother Sarojit, my brother Shreyas, and me. Each member of my family plays a special role, makes our home a happy place. My father is a hardworking and responsible person. He works every day to give a good life and always guide me with wise advice. He teaches me the value of honesty, discipline, and respect. He always encourages me to study well, stay confident, and face challenges bravely. My mother is the heart of our family. She is caring, patient, and always ready to help us with anything. She manages our home beautifully, cooks delicious food, and takes care of our health and needs. Whenever I feel upset or tired, she supports me with her comforting words. Her love makes our home warm and peaceful. Whenever I face difficulties in studies or personal life, my parents always support me and show me the right path. They teach me that no matter how hard life becomes, family will always stand by me. My family gives me confidence to follow my dreams and become a better person. Every day I feel truly blessed, grateful, and proud to be a part of this wonderful family. Thank you.